Yeah, I mean, yeah, there's traditional hotels, there's traditional car rental agencies, there's traditional ways to handle our health, but there's also natural ways, or I would say better ways to do all those with. Hey, this is Lance McGowan and
Malie Simpson.
And today we're going to talk about, hey, I'm already a Turo host, I already rent my car or multiple cars out, but how can I really take things to the next level, and really how can I, as a current Turo host, enhance my guest experiences and potentially increase repeat bookings using natural solutions?
Right, so I take a lot of pride as a host. I like to take really good care of my customers. I like to provide the excellent service. I have a 5-star rating, and so I like to create a natural environment. I like to green clean my car, offer natural solutions for my customers, and what I do is I keep this On Guard spray. So a lot of people use a lot of chemicals and sprays to deodorize the car after each renter, you know, because it does get kind of smelly in there. This is all natural, so it is a cinnamon, clove, and orange, and I can just spray it in the car. I can spray it on the dashboard, on the steering wheel, and my customers really appreciate having this in the car as well for their use while they're using the car.
And you also have a diffuser to clean the air of the vehicle, because there's a lot of car fumes that come in from the freeway or city driving. There's also, you know, I know there's stuff you can hang in the car that's not good. Like, it's nice to have a natural alternative. So maybe could you explain the benefits of the diffuser that you use?
Yeah, the diffuser, so it just sits in the cup holder, and you put a little bit of water in it, and then you can just drop a few. We have essential oils here in the kit, but you could pick what kind of essential oil. We have a respiratory blend that's really good. It smells like a spa in your car. You put a few drops of that, you plug it into the USB drive and turn it on. So it creates a little light color and a little fine mist in the car, and of course the aroma of the essential oil. So not only is that cleaning in the car, but it's also helping you breathe better with all the fumes from, you know, other cars when you're on the highway and stuff. So I think it's a really awesome, kind of sets me apart, you know, besides being on time and friendly and all that. Then this really sets me apart from other Turo owners.
Yeah, so basically going green or using natural cleaning products and natural, you know, air diffusing products can up-level your Turo game as a host and really support the health of all your clients and really help them want to rebook with you or really appreciate that. I know one of the clients I have with Turo, she acknowledged the fact that I use green cleaning products in my vehicle, and she messaged me about that, and she booked for a whole month. And that was really great because, you know, the next time she's in Vegas, she might want to rebook, you know, and so that's great that they appreciate that kind of stuff. And I know when you're a Turo host, and sometimes guests or people may ask, you know, like, you know, where do I stay, or what's the best deal, you know, next time I'm in town to lay my head at night, right? We got a place to drive, we got something to drive now, but where are we going to sleep? And for folks who don't know what Airbnb is, how can, you know, Airbnb help current Turo hosts enhance the experience for their guests as well? Because we talked about helping our guests with their immune system and their mood from a health standpoint, but what about where they sleep at night?
Yeah, Airbnb is the best way to rent local accommodations on any travel budget, and you can get $40 off your first trip at $75 or more using the link. So it's really nice to offer your customers, you know, a coupon, and then they get that unique experience, so they're comfortable with using Turo, so they're going to be comfortable as well using the Airbnb app to find a unique and, you know, based on their price and their time frame of a place to stay as well.
Wow, that's great. And so, but all these services offer personalized support, education, and, you know, looking at all the different descriptions and stuff like that will help you understand all the benefits and stuff. Because like some, you know, Turo vehicles, obviously, as a host, you know, you may offer delivery or you may do it for free. And with Airbnb, there's, you know, houses on the strip, rooms on the strip. There's also in the suburbs. And so there's lots of different options with regards to that. And I know using essential oils in your Turo business as a host is definitely going to enhance your health, so you can continue to rent out in a very, sustainable way. But then also it helps the guests, and the ones that do appreciate the green cleaning aspect will let you know. The ones that don't, well, hey, you're helping to keep them healthy through using products that are non-toxic, non-synthetic. And the smell's great too. And so it's kind of like double benefits all around.
Yeah, you improve your own health while you're helping your customers as well. So I've been using essential oils for about 5 years now, and I became an Airbnb host, started using them for my homes and for the rooms and for my customers. And then when I became a Turo host, then I did the same thing for my car. So I really like to combine the whole and introduce people that I would have never met anyway to natural solutions like these.
Yeah, and I know people who are double hosts, meaning Turo and Airbnb, and then it makes sense to become a wholesale customer with doTERRA as well. And because we offer that education on the green cleaning side as well with our team and what we focus on. And the Family Essentials Kit is a great way to get started, because basically it's the top 10 oils for the home. They help with energy, digestion, sleep, stress, muscles, joints, and really supporting the immune system. And so the oils in here, we help you learn how to use them as a Turo host. So we do a wellness consult that's complimentary to show you the benefits, the uses, and really just how to maximize your membership so you can get the most out of these oils yourself or for your family, but also your guests and your clients as well. And then also comes with the On Guard beadlets and the peppermint beadlets. And so the On Guard beadlets help with scratchy throat, supporting the immune system. And then the peppermint beadlets help with basically digestion. They help with, focus, alertness, freshen the breath, opening up the airways.
Especially when you're driving, right?
Yeah, we need that. There's so much stuff in the air, right? And so this is a great gift as a host to yourself, to treat yourself and really help yourself, so you can continue to help people, but then also help your clients. And when you mention the word Turo, and then you also get an essential oil kit with us, we offer the On Guard spray, complimentary and free, so you can kind of get started with helping everybody's health already. And there's lots of other kits as well. The other one that we'll feature in the description below is the Natural Solutions Kit. We did 15 videos on that because we're so passionate about just educating people on how they can really, that kit is really to make over your bathroom, kitchen, and health cabinet. And it really just does transform the home. I mean, where we all got to live, right? But also the car is kind of like the home away from home, kind of, because it's or a mobile home.
Spend a lot of time in it.
Yeah, if you commute a lot, or if your clients commute a lot, they may spend a lot of time in there. And it's an enclosed, capsule of movement. And so it's so important to make sure that we're healthy in there. And there's so many solutions in that other kit that also can help.
Right, yeah, it's the perfect solution, and it's a perfect combo, I think, and it's really, getting out there that there are options other than the traditional options that we've all known.
Yeah, there's traditional hotels, there's traditional car rental agencies, there's traditional ways to handle our health, but there's also natural ways, or I would say better ways, to do all those with Turo, Airbnb, and doTERRA. And so we believe it's the perfect combination, because some people may be wondering, why would you combine all three? That seems crazy or not okay with me. But really, we want you to travel healthy and happy, and that's the real purpose and intent. And so this allows you to do just that. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the like button if you did. Make sure to hit the subscribe button for future video updates, and we'll see you in the next video.